Hello guys, today I will show how to fix the time difference between Windows and Ubuntu. First, right click on here, select adjust date time, then switch off and switch on both of these options. By doing this, you will set the time of Windows as well as your PC's BIOS to the local time, which is UTC plus 530 in my case. After that, close this window and then shut down your PC, after which you have to boot your PC in Ubuntu OS. Now I have booted in my Ubuntu OS. You can see that the time is different here. In order to fix it, let's open the terminal. First type time date CTL. This will show us the date and time configuration settings. In this, we have to change this particular settings. We have to change it from no to yes in order to notify Ubuntu that the time in BIOS is the local time and not the GMT time as it thinks. So let us see the help to know how to change it. In this, I have to change this particular setting in order to change this. So let me type it. I can copy and paste it here. I'll set the bool to on, and then in order to notify Ubuntu that it must not change the BIOS time, rather it must change only the time of the OS, I will copy and paste this option here along with the command. That's it. You can see that the time of Ubuntu is now same as the time of Windows. We have successfully calibrated the time of Windows and Ubuntu, and this time is also synced with the Windows server. That's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.